you to Sonny for putting this event together and for inviting me, Judge O'Grady, everybody else to come out, get an opportunity to meet folks. I want to give you just a very quick kind of biography or background on me, and then maybe tell you a little bit about what I think is important about this Supreme Court election. Obviously, some of which was just addressed by Judge O'Grady, since he and I are kind of facing the same feat this fall. So I was born and raised in Ypsilanti. My dad is a retired sheriff's officer. He retired when I was about 13. While he was a sheriff's officer in Washington County, he was going to law school at night. His dad had gone to law school the night before him, so pursuing education into adulthood in order to take care of the family is something that was really instilled in me by the example set by my dad and my granddad before him. My mother raised 6 kids at home, homeschooling us primarily. I went to Hillsdale for college, Hillsdale College. While I was there, I studied politics. I also met my wife, Lauren. She and I got married while I was in law school at the University of Michigan. And while I was in law school at Michigan, I also joined the Marine Corps. So my first job as an attorney was serving the United States Marines as a judge advocate, where I was primarily responsible for helping Marines and sailors get ready to deploy and get their legal affairs in order before they left. So that was on their mind when they were trying to accomplish missions for us in the United States. After doing about 3 years of active duty, a little more than that, I did a couple years in the reserves and began private practice in Washington County, working with my family. Our firm is called Think and Think, although I have to admit, I'm not really one of the thinks in the name because my dad and my uncle are my partners. And they're much older than I am, and therefore they deserve the credit for the name of Think and Think. But my partners are my dad, my uncle, and my cousin. So it was a family-run law office with a diverse set of issues that we handled. All kinds of different stuff, especially municipal, representing some townships, and a lot of property, real estate, and some business litigation as well.